Hi friends! Welcome to Ikey's Wonder World! A is for apple, red and sweet. A is for apple, a yummy treat. B is for ball, play with fun. B is for ball, everyone run. C is for cat, playful and sweet. C is for cat, fun to meet. D is for dog, playful and foul. D is for dog, run, run, run. E is for egg, fresh and bright. E is for egg, what a delight. F is for fish, swimming with fun. F is for fish, splish and splash, run. G is for grape, purple and sweet. G is for grape, a tasty treat. H is for horse, running with glee. H is for horse, come play with me. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jellyfish, wiggly and fun. J is for jellyfish, see it run. K is for kangaroo, hop with me. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, see. L is for lemon, yellow and bright. L is for lemon, a tasty bite. M is for monkey, swinging with fun. M is for monkey, jump, jump, run. N is for nest, cozy and sweet. N is for nest, a safe little treat. O is for orange, juicy and bright. O is for orange, a yummy bite. P is for penguin, waddling with fun. P is for penguin, sliding and run. Q is for quail, hopping with cheer. Q is for quail, come play here. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer. R is for rabbit, come play here. S is for sun, shining so bright. S is for sun, giving us light. T is for tiger, playful and strong. T is for tiger, come sing along. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. W is for watermelon, a yummy treat. X is for xylophone, play along with me. X is for xylophone, sound so happily. Y is for yak, come clap and play. Y is for yak, let's sing all day. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. Z is for zebra, let's sing with delight. Subscribe to Ikey's Wonder World. A for alligator. Alligator lives in the water. B for bear. Bear loves to eat honey. C for cat. Cat loves to play. D for dog. Dog loves to wag its tail.
E for elephant.
F for fox. Fox is so smart. G for giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck. H for hippo. Hippo loves to stay in the water. I for iguana. Iguana loves to climb and bask in the sun. Jaguar is very fast. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo loves to hop. L for lion. Lion has a soft mane. M for monkey. Monkey loves to swing in the trees.
N for narwhal. Narwhal loves to swim in the water.
O for owl. Owl loves to watch everything from the trees.
P for panda. Panda loves to eat bamboo.
Q for quail. Quail loves to run and hide in the grass. R for rabbit. Rabbit loves to hop and nibble on grass. S for snake. Snake loves to explore the jungle floor. T for tiger. Tiger loves to play in the jungle. U for unicorn. Unicorn loves to play in the magical forest. V for vulture. Vulture loves to soar high in the sky. W for walrus. Walrus loves to slide on the ice. X for xenops. Xenops loves to hop on tree branches. Y for yak. Yak loves to roam in the mountains. Z for zebra. Zebra loves to run in the grasslands.
A for apple, red and sweet. I love apples, yum to eat. B for ball, bounce and play. Roll it fast all day. C for cat, meow, meow, meow. Soft and sweet, take a bow. D for dog, woof, woof, woof. Running fast, so strong and good. E for elephant, big and gray. Loves to splash and play all day. F for fish, swim and swish. In the water, splashy dish. G for goat, G for goat. Jump and play, eating grass all day, hooray! H for hen, cluck, cluck, cluck. Laying eggs, good luck. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. Summer treat, fun to eat. J for jug, pour and play. Drink some water every day. K for kite, flying high. Up and up in the sky. L for lion, roar so small. King of jungle, loved by all.
M for mango, sweet and bright. Tasty fruit, such delight.
N for nest, N for nest. Cozy and warm, baby birds safe from harm. O for orange, O for orange. Round and sweet, juicy, yum, fun to eat. P for parrot, green and bright. Talks and chats with great delight. Q for queen, kind and fair. Crown of gold, beyond compare. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Little tail that never stops. S for sun, shining bright. Gives us warmth and happy light. T for tiger, stripe and roar. Gentle cub we all adore. U for umbrella, open wide. Keeps us dry, a rainy ride. V for van, drive around. Wheels go round without a sound. W for watch, tick and talk. Tells the time around the clock. X for xylophone, ding dong ding. Music makes us dance and sing. Y for yo-yo, up and do, spinning fun all around. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight.
Hi kids! In this video, we're gonna learn wild animals' names. Let's go!
This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus loves water. This is a fox. Fox is very clever.
This is a cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal.
This is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros has a big horn. This is a leopard. Leopard is very fast.
This is a wolf. Wolf can howl very loudly.
This is a crocodile. Crocodile has a big mouth. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo can jump very high.
This is a bear. Bear likes to eat honey.
This is a zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. This is a giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck.
This is a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle.
This is a tiger. Tiger is very strong.
This is an elephant. Elephant is very big.
This is a monkey. Monkey loves to swing and play.
This is a panda. Panda loves to eat bamboo. This is a deer. Deer runs very fast. This is a hyena.
Hyena laughs loudly.
This is a gorilla. Gorilla is very strong.
This is a snake. Snake moves very quietly. Great job, kids! Now you know 20 wild animals. I'm gonna be so sad if you don't subscribe. See you next time. Subscribe to Ike's Wonder World.
Friends, let's learn colors with fun cars. Are you ready? Let's go.
Can you guess what color this car is? Yes, it's a yellow car. Can you say yellow? Can you guess what color this car is? Yes, it's a green car. Can you say green?
Can you guess what color this car is?
Yes, it's a blue car. Can you say blue? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay, look, it's an orange car. Can you say orange? Can you guess what color this car is? Yes, it's a purple car. Can you say purple? Can you guess what color this car is? Yes, it's a pink car. Can you say pink? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay, look, it's a white car. Can you say white? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay, look, it's a black car. Can you say black? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay! Look, it's a gray car. Can you say gray? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay! Look, it's a teal car. Can you say teal? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay! Look, it's a gold car. Can you say gold? Can you guess what color this car is? Yay! Look, it's a silver car. Can you say silver?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the button and subscribe for more fun car colors. See you next time.
Subscribe to Ike's Wonder World.